If we have a series S of n as t1 plus t2 plus so on up to tn, the sum of n terms of any series, this can be represented as sigma or summation or r equals 1 to n of tr. So this expression and the first equation on the right hand side, they have the same meaning. Few properties to know about sigma notation is that if you have something like sigma r equals 1 to n of tr plus or minus tr dash, then we can write it as sigma r equals 1 to n of tr plus or minus sigma r equals 1 to n for tr dash. So sigma notation can be distributed over plus or minus. But if you have something like r runs from 1 to n, tr times tr dash, or if you have sigma r equals 1 to n tr over tr dash, then this is not distributive. So you cannot write sigma r equals 1 to n tr times sigma r equals 1 to n tr dash. Similarly, in the division, you cannot write sigma r equals 1 to n tr over sigma r runs from 1 to n for tr dash. So these two are not possible. So sigma notation is distributive over plus and minus, but not multiplication and division.